As Alabama schools prepare for the unknown, hospitals in the state are really doing the same. The big unknown is how or if the virus will spread more quickly once our kids go back to the classroom. NBC 15's James Gordon joins us now with more on that. James?
Well, you know, the first day of school for Baldwin County Public Schools is August 12th, and all this week teachers have been preparing at the local schools, and hospitals are on standby waiting to see what happens next. ICU beds across Alabama are limited, and those keeping track of Alabama's hospitals are bracing for an August and September rise in case rates. Though numbers were up yesterday, the 7-day average is showing a downward trend.
Then when you look at hospitalizations, we are not seeing a decline in hospitalizations.
Dr. Williamson says there are less than 10% of ICU beds available in both Mobile and Baldwin counties. He says all area hospitals have a surge capacity protocol. Beds are one thing and staffing is another.
We have hospitals that are using staffing services, trying to bring nurses in from other states. We have a few hospitals that have even begun contemplating trying to bring in staff from internationally.
Jesse McDaniel is Baldwin County's local teachers union representative. McDaniel says many teachers going back to the classroom call him every day with concerns.
You know, are the chemicals safe? Are we doing everything that we can do to keep our kids safe on the bus, in the cafeteria? You know, there's all kinds of questions that are coming up right now, and we're trying to address all of them.
Still, with this virus, the unknowns can be overwhelming.
You're going to see middle schoolers and high schoolers are able to get infected. They're going to transmit it to teachers. They're going to transmit it in the community. I would expect more teachers, more community, parents, grandparents, and other folks in the community from community spread as a result of reopening K-12.
A stark reminder that even though schools may be reopening, keeping up with the virus will be a challenge, from the classroom to the hospital room. And if hospitals are overwhelmed, they could be forced to rely on alternative sites. Right now, the National Guard and FEMA are currently scouting out those sites as possibilities throughout the state of Alabama. But now we're live in Baldwin County. James Gordon, NBC 15 News.